Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to monitor team performance in teamwork.com. First off, log into your Teamwork account. Now, this is your starting point to access any data related to your team's performance. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. The reason we do this is because the dashboard is where you will find a comprehensive overview of your project's progress and your team's productivity. Now that we're on the dashboard, let's move to Project Health. Here, you can view the status of each individual project. This helps us because it allows us to identify any issues or delays in real time. Next up, click on Workload. This will display a chart showing how much work each team member has assigned to them. This is crucial as it allows you to ensure that work is evenly distributed and no one is overloaded. Now let's jump to Time Tracking. This feature allows you to see how much time each team member is spending on their tasks. It's not about micromanaging, but understanding where time is spent. This can help identify if certain tasks are taking longer than expected. Lastly, we have the Reports section. Here, you can generate detailed reports on your team's performance over a specific period. This is a powerful tool as it allows you to make data-driven decisions and plan future projects more effectively. So, by following these steps, you can effectively monitor your team's performance on teamwork.com. Remember, the key is to use these tools to identify strengths and areas for improvement within your team, not to micromanage. And that wraps up our quick guide on monitoring team performance in teamwork.com. Thanks for joining us today, and keep an eye out for more practical tutorials like this one.